So today's video is a DIY on how to replace the bulb of the tail lamp of your CBR 250R. So this is what we'll be replacing today. So for that, the first thing you'll need is your key to open up the rear seat, and you just pop it up open like this. And what you have to do for that is you will have to look for this particular spot. You see this gray color spot? This is what your bulb is housed inside. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to turn it anti-clockwise this way. It might be sitting in tight, so you'll need to put some force on it, and then you can pull out the tail lamp assembly, the bulb, from here. You will notice that there's a rubber washer here. Make sure that that is intact, and you will need it fine. And now what you have to do next is you'll have to turn this anti-clockwise again, the bulb from the holder, just like you do for any other regular bulbs, and you can replace that with a new bulb. And the bulb has to be a dual filament bulb, in which one filament is for the park lamp and one is for the tail light. As simple as that. And to fit it back in, all you have to do is put it back this way and then turn it back clockwise, so till it clicks over there. That's the simple procedure, and this is how you do it. I hope this helps for anyone who's trying to replace the bulbs for their CBR 250R's tail lamp. Just one point to note here: make sure that it works before you fit this bulb back, because it can be a task, to fit and unfit it from here. So here's my park lamp, it works, and the tail lamp, it works. So yeah, we're good to go.